Hey guys, fellow bassheads. Here's a quick size comparison between sky-high car audio wire and some wire terminal lugs, with a little bit of show and tell at the end of the video, along with I'll include a tip for choosing wire. Starting off with the lugs, here is 0 or 1/0. Standard typical one you'll find online or at your local hardware store. I got this one at Menards. Same size, it's typical AWG 0 gauge. Here's 2/0. I got it at Menards, it's typical AWG size. Here's Sky High Car Audio 2/0. That you can only get from Sky High Car Audio. Well, you can get it from other dealers, people who deal Sky High Car Audio stuff. Look at the size comparison, oh my gosh. That's why I like Sky High Car Audio. These are all copper. They're tinned copper, which I prefer for when using it under your hood. Here is 0 gauge by Knukoncepts with 5,145 strands. It's OFC. Let's use a quarter each time. Here is 2/0 from Down for Sound certified basshead wire. OFC with 5,929 strands. I'll show you the dimensions, the size dimensions on paper here in a minute. Here's 2/0 Sky High Car Audio. They don't list how many strands. This is what I'm currently using, although in silver. And here is the new that just arrived today, 4/0 Sky High Car Audio. OFC wire. Just shy of 1 inch in diameter. Here's the measurements, the ones I could acquire anyways. Feel free to pause the video. So here is 0 gauge, 2/0, and 4/0. Ooh. Jesus. Come on, buddy, focus. Man, I love this 4/0 stuff. Oh, it's awesome. And the tip I have is when you're considering purchasing wire scheme, first, prior to committing to 50 or more feet of wire, just purchase 1 foot increments. That's what I do. I purchased a 1 foot of the white. I purchased a 1 foot of their teal. This is all Sky High Car Audio, by the way. 2/0. I purchased their blue, which I can't stand because it looks black, especially on camera. It's a navy blue. I wish they had electric cobalt or royal blue instead of this teal or navy. And then silver. I ordered a foot of, and then a foot of this red. And then I match them up according to my interior and what I like and what batteries I'm using with and everything, the color schemes. And eventually I decided on just using silver for both my power and ground. The way I differentiate between the power and ground is the heat shrink tubing. I use red for power and black for ground, both with the chrome logo of Sky High Car Audio. Unfortunately, the 4/0 only comes in 4 colors. Since it's, a new release, it comes in red, black, obviously, for obvious reasons, and then lime green and navy blue. Not the silver, of course. So I could buy silver Tech, Alex Tech is what it is. It's a mesh lining that goes over it. Or I could do this red and black and just use silver heat shrink tubing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I just stick with my 2/0 silver and add another run to it? Or should I upgrade to the 4/0? And also in the comments, please let me know where you guys buy your product from, your car audio product. Is it Down for Sound, Excess Power, Sky High Car Audio, GP? There's so many of them. Sparked Innovations is the newest one that I started using. Great customer service over there, and they have a wide variety. Showtime Electronics, which EXO promotes, which I never heard of Showtime prior to EXO promoting it. Here are battery terminals. These are Sky High Car Audio copper flat 6-spot battery terminals. I wish they offered these copper flat battery terminals in 8 spots because I need it. but 6 is the largest ones I can find. I currently have the 6-spot aluminum version from Sky High Car Audio on my under the hood battery, but since I'm going to be switching to lithium, which has a lot more high output amperage than my current D3400 from Excess Power AGM battery, I had to upgrade to these aluminum ones, or sorry, from the aluminum ones to these copper ones, which I look forward to installing because hopefully they won't corrode as bad as the aluminum ones like to. So I've read. I haven't had any corrosion issues yet. It's only been a few months. And lastly, do me a favor and check out my buddy's YouTube channel, who he's currently doing a build with 418 wall, 418s in his SUV. He's using Scar products. He, on his YouTube channel, it's called Sober Scum. He's a badass dude, nice guy, out in Cali, and he has several builds on his YouTube playlist on his channel. Several playlists of different builds, and they just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, like, you know, the majority of us. Last year in 2020, I upgraded 4 times. Not just like an upgrade, but entire new system upgrade. So I can see how it becomes addicting, and I am considering a wall, but I need the back end of my SUV, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's possible to do a wall for a year and then return your vehicle back to normal after a year as if it never had a wall? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Subscribe, like, and see you back shortly with my 2 new 15-inch Phi Neo 4.11 subwoofers rated up to 7,000 RMS each, which I'll be using 20,000 watts RMS to push the 2 subs. So, see you soon, guys.